Right, so it's all wired in properly. Yeah. Go to this. Long press.
Normal start. Pump oil start.
Pump oil start. Don't work. Watch this.
Electricity fault.
Right, so that don't work. Watch this.
Power off.
Right, I turn it off again. Turn it back on. Watch this.
Normal start. Pump oil start.
Right,
Ventilation mode.
right.
Remote or matched. Remote pump oil.
Remote pump oil. So, watch. There's violet pipe as well. So
Electricity fault.
I've checked it. Electricity fault. That's all it keeps saying all the time. Can you please tell me what's happening?
Electricity
That's all
fault.
it keeps saying. Electricity fault. Fucking Jesus, man.